With the riffs, this Tap Essentials video will teach the 7-count riff. 7 components: touch, scuff, heel drop, heel dig, toe drop, heel drop, heel drop. Make 7 beats or sounds. Practice time. Speed it up. Keep knees and ankles loose and relaxed. Try going a little faster. One more time, as fast as you can. I know I'm young, but I think I might have arthritis in my foot. It's possible, right? Are dance studios open where you are? I miss the dance studio, guys. I miss it. I'm wondering what your favorite riffs may be. I prefer 5 and 7. I have favorites. Do you have favorites?